Hello viewers, good evening. Now I'm going to show you one tricks about use the formula transpose. For example, here I have some data with the serial number, category, value, and like for example port name, and this is the summation. So if we want to do transpose, so what do you do? Select, copy, then right click, then here is the formula transpose. So this is it. Okay, very easy, but the tricks is here you see if I change the data from here, like for example 456, I change it to like 3000. Here is changed, the summation also changed, but in the transpose resultant the data not changed. You see, parking, this is not changed. So now we use the tricks. The tricks is copy, select the cell where I want to get the data, then equal, write down transpose, tab. So after tab we need to select the source cell. Okay, now Control Shift Enter. So here comes the data. This is transpose data. So what you can see, like here the summation and the change value also change. For example, if you change 3000 to 2000, here also change, and summation as well. So this is the difference between the normal transpose and formula and the tricks we used here. Hope you enjoy it and it will be beneficial for you. Thank you for watching.